Hey, today I got pulled over by the police over a freaking tail light. Let me show you why they pulled me over, and let me show you how to fix it so you don't get pulled over because you got a tail light out. First off, I'm gonna bring you around and show you what the problem is, because my tail light and my blinker light are the same light. So I had no tail light on the right side, and I didn't have a blinker also. But if you ever wonder how to know that your blinker is out and what side it's on, I'm gonna show you a quick way to figure it out before you even ever get out of your car. Right now, hit that like and subscribe button if you want more information and tidbits like this, because I'll be dropping some knowledge every chance I get. All right, you see my dash right there? You see how that light is blinking? And it's blinking at a normal pace. Okay, you see the other side is blinking faster? When you turn your lights on, whichever one of them is blinking faster, there's a strong possibility that that light bulb is out. And that's gonna be your blinker light. Now we're gonna step outside the car for a minute and I'll show you. All right, that's the passenger side right there. It's blinking pretty fast. Now, as you can see, that is the driver's side, and it's blinking at a normal pace. All right, so it's really a quick and simple, easy fix. You only need a few tools. You're gonna need the bulbs. And for my car, I'm using my impact, and this is a 5/16 socket. Now, I will tell you this for you ladies, and for anybody else who just doesn't really feel like doing this. Most places like AutoZone and O'Reilly will change out the light bulbs for you. However, if there's any type of tools that are required to be used, most of them won't do it. But if it's just to unplug it, change out the bulb, and put another one in, they'll do it. A lot of the older cars, they can do that on. A lot of the newer cars, you gotta at least use a wrench or a socket or something, so sometimes they won't do that for warranty purposes. But just check me out. We'll get this done right quick, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Okay, the process is simple. Take out this bolt, that bolt, and then you're gonna pry on it a little bit and you'll pull the whole thing out. And we're gonna go ahead and go through that process right quick. Now I'm using this to help pry it out so there's no damage done to the body of my car. And where we're going, stick it in right there on the side. That'll kind of help loosen it up. Dang, I got y'all dancing around. Sorry about that. But if you notice, I already popped it out. Now just slide it out the rest of the way. And let me bring you in so you can see what I'm doing. That's the light housing right there. All we're gonna do, you twist it, pull it out. Mine's got a little bit of dirt off in there. We're gonna set that off to the side right now. And you just straight up pull that bulb out. All right, just so you see, because I think I had it at the wrong angle. You pull the bulb out. This bulb is black, it's cooked. This is the new bulb. This is the old bulb. Now, most important thing, you always test the bulb before you close it up. So hang tight. All right, so now you can see that it's working. So now we're gonna put it back in and we'll go from there. You put it back in the housing the same way. Put it in there. And just so you see, there's a notch here, a notch there, and a notch there. If you look at your housing, hopefully you can see it and I'm not blocking it from you. You got indentions. That's what you're lining up. And once you get them in the right hole, it'll lock. Let's see. And I'm making this look harder than it really is. Yeah. Y'all bear with me because I'm out here in this Texas heat, boy, I'm burning up. Once you get it in there, you'll hear it click. Once it click, it's in. Now, you just slide this back in. There's 2 tabs right here. They'll line up with the holes. There we go. Put your screws in. We're going to start it a little bit. Get that other screw in there. Just like that. All right, there you have it. It's done. See, it's blinking normal. It's blinking normal. Let's go outside and look around. All right, it's blinking at a regular pace here, and it should be blinking in the back. Let's go. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to see, but I know you see that blinking. It is daytime. All right, so I just showed you a quick and easy way to change out your own blinker light, and this is on a 2007 Lincoln MKX. And with that being said, on this vehicle, the blinker light and the brake light, or should I say the tail light, is the same exact light. So even at night, when you're on your brakes, if that blinker in the back is blown, when you step on the brakes, that bulb is not going to actually light up either, and that's a reason to get pulled over. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Come back and see what else we do, because on my channel, I do as many DIY projects as I can, and this one was real simple. I'm going to get it done, and I'm going to save some money. Y'all hang out with me, you'll save some money too. Until next time, stop spending.